Hey, it's Cheryl, brand strategist and graphic designer behind Made on Sunday Studio, an inspired and relaxing studio space for all things branding, design, and creative entrepreneurship. Now today, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the backgrounds of your photos on Canva Pro. No, you don't need Photoshop anymore. In fact, you don't even need any kind of design experience at all, really. So let's dive on into my computer and let's do this together. Before we begin with the tutorial, let's talk about Canva really quickly. This tutorial will be based on Canva, so if you don't have an account or if you're unfamiliar with the platform, Canva is an all-in-one design platform or website that allows even beginner designers or non-designers at all to create beautiful graphics that are drag and drop and easy to use. Now, typically the free plan is probably good for most design needs, but for this particular tutorial, you're going to need the Pro account. Now it's €8.99 a month if you sign up for the year, and it's €11.99 monthly. And sorry, you're gonna have to convert that to USD or whichever currency that you are using, but super affordable. And within the Pro account, you're gonna have access to the background remover feature, which we will be using in this tutorial. So if you don't have a Pro account yet, go to the links in my descriptions below and get your account today. So this is the graphic that we're going to try to recreate today. This was a YouTube cover graphic that I made for my vlog channel. And as you can see, I used this image of me and my husband with the background cropped out. And this literally took minutes to create. No longer do I need to get this cropped on Photoshop. I can just click one button, literally one button on Canva to make this cropped image. So let's hop on onto a new canvas, and in order to get that background cropped, I'm going to be uploading the photo. So this was the original photo that I used. As you can see, there is a white background. Now, just so you know, the cropped feature or background remover feature on Canva works best if your background is very basic. For example, like this photo, I knew I wanted to get the background removed, so I took this photo in front of a white background. It could be any background really, as long as it's not looking like it's the subjects at the back of you are not molding with the form of your body. So just best case scenario, try to pick a photo with a plain background so that it's easy for Canva to detect where the subjects are in the photo, which in this case is me and my husband. So all you have to go is to the effects. Now this feature, by the way, is only available on Canva Pro. So if you have the normal Canva account, free account, you're not going to be able to see this effects feature right here. So just click on your photo, click on effects, and then right at the top you'll see background remover. Literally one click, and within seconds Canva is going to do all the hard work for you. And there we go. Boom. Background removed. It's pretty incredible. It's definitely magical. I'm going to enlarge this like I needed it to be for my graphic. This looks awesome. Now I really love this feature for things like YouTube covers because it really makes your photo pop. And now I can add any graphics on top of the photo without distraction from any backgrounds. I can create my own background. Oops. I can add add different graphics at the back. If I wanted to, I can put this behind my photo. It's pretty great, guys. So one click to remove the background of your photos on Canva, just like this. And that's it. Super easy and super quick. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you did, remember to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more video tutorials like this. I cover on topics all about branding, design, and creative entrepreneurship. So if there are any topics in that realm that you are hoping to see in the future, let me know in the comments below. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.